Hi friends, I just received a pet bed, so I'm going to show it. I'm going to open it. As you can see, this is the underbed. It's really big. And then this is the bed. Is really big, so you can sleep with your pet. Then it has a pillow, a really soft pillow. It has two colors, like gray, dark gray, and then like more light. And then we have blankets. The blanket is really nice, big as well, and it matches if you want to go with this match like dark, and it goes like this if you want like other colors. And let's try it. As you can see, my pets are really happy. This is Choco, this is Milo and Peggy, so they're very happy. I think the bed is really nice. I keep like this comfortable. As you can see, it's a very nice size for me and for my pets. I fit perfectly. This is my size. Look, my feet are here, and my head is like this, so I fit perfectly. I can sleep with them if you want. So I can sleep with them perfectly, and I'm going to rest a little bit. So I really recommend it. Bye.